Welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to show you how to travel Southeast Asia with only one backpack, how to travel light. Because sometimes I get the question, how do I travel so light? How do I travel with only one backpack around Southeast Asia? And I'm traveling Southeast Asia for almost 1 year now. And at the beginning I came here with a big backpack and a lot of clothes, and I realized really quickly that it's way too much and it's really inconvenient to travel with a big backpack. So actually after like 4 or 5 months here, I sent back home half of the stuff and my big backpack. I sent back to Germany for like $60, $70, and I bought a new backpack here. And I'm going to show you my backpack now and what I have in my backpack and how I travel so light. So I have everything here on my bed, and this is the backpack I'm traveling with right now. When I came to Thailand last year, that was the main or the reason I came here at the beginning, to do an exchange semester in Bangkok. I had a big backpack with me, and I think actually 2 backpacks with a lot of stuff in there, but it was just too much, so I sent back the big backpack and half of my stuff in December back to Germany, and then I bought this backpack. I bought it in Thailand for like $15 to $20, and it's working for over half a year now. Really good. And the size of this backpack is actually even so small that I can take it as a carry-on baggage in airplanes, which is really nice because that saves you money, because you don't have to pay extra for luggage. But the problem is all of the stuff here is 12 kilo, and most of the airlines only allow 7 kilo. So they normally don't weigh it. I was caught once where they checked the weight, and then I had to pay $30 extra, which was more than the whole flight did cost. But normally they don't weigh it, so I can normally bring it on as a carry-on baggage. And I'm going to show you everything now. And in case you're new on this channel, if you haven't seen one of my videos before, I am Ken, a full-time traveler traveling around Southeast Asia, doing this for 1 year already now. And the goal of this channel is to visit every country in Southeast Asia. So if you're interested in that, you can also subscribe to the channel and join the community here and start following me around. All right, let's see what I have here. So I will first explain all the clothes I have. So we're starting with, I have 2 sweatshirts. Actually, I came here with only 1 sweatshirt, but in February I was traveling in Vietnam, and in the mountains it was so cold that I had to buy a second one, because I was wearing 2 of them now then. But it was the extra one here, this one. I think I bought it for $6. So that is also one big tip: bring less clothes than you think, and in case you need more, you can just buy them here so cheap. And $6 for a sweatshirt. And even if I would have decided to leave it at a hostel or to give it somebody because I didn't want it anymore, it was only been $6. So, but I decided to take it still with me. So I have 2 sweatshirts, then 1 belt, then I have 1 long pair of shorts, jeans. 1 long pair. Normally I don't wear long pairs because it's the temperature here is normally so high that it's too hot with the long pants, but you still want to have one because there are, in some cases you need a long pants. For example, when you want to visit temples or when you want to go out to better nightclubs or to a rooftop bar in Bangkok, for example, then you want to have 1 long pair of pants. Or sometimes when you do scooter trips or motorbike tours, and then sometimes long pants are quite useful. So I have 1 long pants, or 1 pair of long pants only. Then I have 2 pairs of short pants, which I wear almost daily. But 2 of them is enough. And then 1 swimming shorts, because you definitely want to go swimming sometimes. And then I have t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 t-shirts, which is still actually too much because half of them I never wear. But t-shirts are small and they don't weigh much. What is really important, make sure that the fabric, the material, it's light, because it's hot here. The temperatures are hot, so make sure it's a light material. And also make sure that you have 1 good looking shirt, 1 you can wear in rooftop bars or in temples, stuff like that. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sleeveless shirts, which I normally wear because yeah, it's much more comfortable in these temperatures around here to have sleeveless shirts. But yeah, there are also situations where I don't like to wear them because yeah, when you wear these sleeveless shirts, you always look like a typical backpacker traveler, and yeah, sometimes I don't want to look like a typical backpacker, so that's yeah, sometimes I also wear the shirts. But yeah, the sleeveless shirts are normally much more comfortable to wear. So make sure you have a few of them. So that's in total the shirts I have. And yeah, like I said already, it's still too much because yeah, half of them I don't wear. So yeah, I'm thinking about maybe getting rid of 1 or 2 to get some more extra space in the bag. Then one thing which is really important is get yourself one of these bags. These zipper bags, or I don't know how they're called, but yeah, when you're doing day tours or when you're just going out to get food and you want to bring your camera or drinks, water bottle, whatever, it's always good to have one of these bags. And yeah, you can fold them really small so they don't take a lot of space in the main bag. So we'll definitely take one of these as well. Then slippers. Really important, not only for the beach, also for yeah, showering in hostels or in hotels. I also always wear one of these, and yeah, have a plastic bag with them because yeah, when you, for example, shower in the morning, and then after that you have to check out the hotel, and then the slippers are still wet, I just put them in the plastic bag, and then I can put them back in the bag. And yeah, then 1 bag of toiletries, of course. Hand sanitizer, really important in these days especially. Then I always have 1 bag with me to put in my laundry. And yeah, let's talk about laundries, because the main reason why you don't need a lot of clothes is because there are laundries everywhere. For example, I'm in Malaysia right now, and there's a laundry on almost every corner where you can wash your clothes for what I pay. Normally I pay 10 ringgit here, which is like $2. To have all my clothes washed. And also many hostels and hotels all around Southeast Asia offering a laundry service where you pay just a few dollars to get all your clothes washed. So it's not a problem to make laundry around here. So yeah, definitely don't bring too much clothes. You can make laundry everywhere. For example, in Thailand, it's really common that you have washing machines right next to the street where you can wash your clothes for yeah, around $2, and really convenient. So laundry bag, and what is also important, I have a big bag here which I can use as a raincoat for the main backpack, because yeah, sometimes when it's raining, or it actually rains a lot here during rain season especially, then you need something to cover your bag. So I can flip this over the bag so that it's protected from the rain. Then I'm only having 1 pair of shoes. This one, it's yeah, black Adidas sneakers, and you don't need more than 1 pair of shoes because yeah, where do you need it? It's just shoes are taking a lot of space in the bag. So this pair of shoes I can use for a lot of things. I can go out with these shoes in better nightclubs or rooftop bars. I can hike with these shoes. I can do motorbike tours with these shoes. I can use the shoes for my daily life. So 1 pair of shoes is definitely enough for me. And yeah, of course, I also have underwear with me. I don't need to show you my underwear now. Underwear and socks I have for, I think, 8 days. Underwear and socks, because yeah, I told you can make laundry all around here, not a problem. So yeah, don't take too much of that as well. Then bring duct tape. Duct tape is always useful whenever something is broke. Get a duct tape. Then yeah, I also have 1 speaker with me, which I hardly use, but sometimes it's cool when you want to hang out with friends or on the beach, put some music. But that's up to you. Then let's go over to my electronics. Headphones, important, because you're gonna travel a lot in trains, buses, airplanes. Headphones, really nice. Then, of course, I have a lot of cameras with me. You maybe don't need that, it's depending on you, but I'm making YouTube videos. So I'm having this camera. It's a DJI Osmo Action, which I recently bought. And yeah, making all of my YouTube videos with this camera. But I also have an old GoPro Hero 4, which I started to make my YouTube videos with. Yeah, like I said, I just recently upgraded this one. Then I have a Lumix, Panasonic Lumix camera to take photos and also to taking videos sometimes. The camera bag, so this one goes into here. Sunglasses, of course, really important. Then take an umbrella with you, especially when you're traveling in rainy seasons. In Southeast Asia, always have an umbrella with you, really important. And yeah, then I'm having one selfie stick. And then I have this bag, which is filled with stuff like phone chargers, memory cards, SD cards. So my electronic is in this bag. And what's also in this bag is medicine. So I have stuff to get rid of headache or get rid of stomach problems. So my medicine is also in this bag. So make sure you have one of these as well. And then passport photos or some photos of you, because you're gonna need them when you get visas on different countries, and otherwise you would have to pay extra. So make sure you bring one of these. Then I'm having a notebook or a book to write some notes, stuff like that. Power bank, important because yeah, you're gonna travel a lot. Power bank is always useful. Then I'm having this, yeah, it's like yeah, some insurance stuff is in there, and yeah, just some paper stuff I need. Some pencils, you maybe don't need that, depending on how long you travel around and what you need to do. And yeah, of course I also have a laptop there. But yeah, depending on how long you travel and what are you doing here, you maybe don't need a laptop. But yeah, since I make YouTube videos and I also work online, I need a laptop. And yeah, did I forget something? I think that's it. So I'm traveling only with all of these. And yeah, all of this is 12 kilo, quite exactly 12 kilo. And yeah, that's all I need. And yeah, like I said, I was thinking actually to get rid of some t-shirts as well. And also sweatshirts too. Now I never used it anymore, but at some point I will use it again when I'm in countries where I need it. Or actually I used it last week, because sometimes the air condition here in transports, it's very cold. I was recently traveling in a ferry and the air condition was so cold inside the ferry that I had to use one of the sweatshirts. So, but yeah, that's it. That's all I travel with. Travel really light. That is yeah, always much more convenient than having a big bag, traveling with this big suitcase or 20 kilo with you. So yeah, I highly recommend you traveling light in Southeast Asia, and because yeah, also you want to have space in the bag, because there are so many opportunities here where you can buy stuff, you can buy cheap clothes all around here, and you want to take some things home with you probably, so also leave space in the bag. Yeah, and so thanks for watching today's episode. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you always need to have in your backpack, which I don't have maybe. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, then subscribe to the channel if you're interested in following me around, and if you would like to join the community here on the channel. And yeah, then stay healthy, stay positive, and then see you in the next video. Ciao!